talk a lot about detox recipes and diets. However, not everybody knows how they help our bodies. The detox process is deep and complex, and we need to understand how to detoxify the liver and kidneys naturally. The body suffers from the excess of toxins produced after we eat industrialized and processed foods. Besides the buildup of fat, ingesting bad products can cause inflammation and issues in the liver and digestive system. Recently, we talked about how our emotions affect our organs. Did you watch it? The human body has a sophisticated way of eliminating these toxins. It involves the liver, kidneys, digestive system, skin, and lungs. However, due to our modern lifestyle, sometimes this function works with reduced capacity. So, it is necessary to stimulate this natural ability to eliminate unwanted and useless substances through juices that combine potent ingredients. In today's video, we will teach you the recipe for a powerful detox juice with carrots and papaya. It can strengthen your liver, the organ responsible for filtering and eliminating harmful substances from the body. But what is so special about these two ingredients? Papaya is known for stimulating the intestine, thanks to its high amounts of soluble fiber that facilitate the formation and elimination of stool. Papaya also contains papain, an enzyme that helps the intestine digest heavy foods, such as red meat, and has a diverse range of natural antioxidants that help the liver eliminate toxins easier. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Carrots are rich in minerals, vitamins A, B, C, and E, and potent antioxidants that improve lung, kidney, and liver function, in addition to preventing different types of cancer. Another benefit carrot offers is that it helps treat constipation, prevents the formation of kidney stones, and purifies the intestines, eliminating toxins and absorbing the nutrients correctly. When we eat it raw, carrot gives us the necessary enzymes to regulate the digestive system. Now that you know how papaya and carrots can protect and detoxify your digestive organs, let's see how to make this detox juice. Write down the ingredients: 21 ounces of papaya, 14 ounces of carrots, 24 ounces of drinking water. Add the papaya, carrot, and some of the water to a blender and process. Slice them into small pieces. Once the mixture is smooth, turn off the blender and add the remaining water. Blend it again. Your juice is ready. Don't add any sugar or sweetener. Keep the juice in the fridge. Drink your papaya and carrot detox juice during the day in small portions. Do it for 2 days, but not consecutive. Do this detox once a week. You will notice an improvement in your digestive system in no time. Share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.